The Labor Party has made a commitment to build a massive 1.2 million homes by 2029. Sounds great, right? But here's the issue. That equates to building 240,000 homes per year every year for the next 5 years. What are we building now? Only 160,000, and the building approvals are trending in the wrong direction. Why? Because the construction industry is limited. In order to hit that construction number, which we have never done before in Australia's history, we would need 50% more construction workers. Or we can expect the existing construction workers to work 50% faster and do 50% more, but that is unrealistic. Supply is tight, and that means that existing property owners are going to see growth in both values and rents. What about negative gearing? We've heard it all before. Labor might abolish it. There was such voter backlash about the abolishment of negative gearing that they did away with that policy pre-election. Negative gearing and the benefits for property investors are here to stay. What about demand? Labor's migration policy is that they were going to reduce some of the overseas migration. We've heard it all before. It's the same story pre-election. We'll reduce the caps only for the numbers to go back to what they need to be. We know that Australia needs a commitment to skilled migration to grow our workforce. Skilled migration is here to stay. And after all, when we have limited supply and we have a high demand for residential property because people need somewhere to live, we know that the prices will go up and rents will go up because after all, our national vacancy rate is only 1.3%. A balanced vacancy rate is 3%, hence the housing crisis that we have today. What about sentiment? Sentiment is improving. Now that the election's over, the media buzz will actually go back to talking about the fundamentals like interest rates, and we know they're going to be dropping as forecast over the months ahead. So momentum fuels energy and it creates FOMO. As we see interest rates come down, borrowing capacities will improve. As borrowing capacities improve, people have more capacity. The entry level of the market will continue to increase and there will be price growth in values and rents as a result. So in summary, supply is constrained and not getting better anytime soon. Demand is here to stay, prices will grow, rents will grow, and now that the election is over and done with, the media buzz will subside and the market fundamentals can take over. If you don't own property yet, but absolutely want to get into the market, then book a free strategy session with OpenCorp today and explore how you can take advantage of the next wave of property growth.